I'm Sarah from Budgetsew, and today I'm going to tell you about the 2 free vintage patterns available for download online. But first, I'm going to show you my most recent make. The wrap dress that I'm wearing is a Vogue pattern 8992 that I bought from the discard bin at Fabricland for $5.99. The original price of this pattern, $29.95. The fabric for this dress was 150 centimeters wide for $4 a meter at Fabricland, and I used 3.2 meters. The dress is fully lined with a pinky peach fabric that I bought from Len's Mills a few years ago. I had a bit of a problem attaching the collar to the dress because the collar was just too big. I finally gained the confidence to try again and managed to sew it on after setting the dress aside for about a month. After trying the dress on, I decided I need a belt. I used the belt pattern from Vogue 8408 so I had the right length. Overall, it was a fun make and I love the end result. Feel free to let me know your most recent make in the comments section below, and don't forget to smash the like button for this video. And if you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe. Now on to the vintage patterns. The Victoria and Albert Museum in London, England has a Mary Quant exhibition until February 16th, 2020. Mary Quant is one of the most iconic designers of the 1960s. Her fun, young, innovative approach shook up British fashion with eye-popping designs like hot pants, play suits, and the era-defining miniskirts and dresses, all in rainbow colors. Mary Quant said the whole point in fashion is to make fashionable clothing available to everyone, and that's the point I'm trying to make with Budgetsew, that you can make your own clothing at a reasonable price. That's the spirit of Budgetsew. There are 2 free patterns available for download. One is a Mary Quant style inspired mini dress. This pattern is inspired by Mary Quant's 1960s A-line classic mini. It has a variety of collars and sleeves and pockets, as well as there are videos on how to sew this dress. Once you've mastered the mini dress, try your hand at Mary Quant's 1962 Georgie dress, a bold and beautiful wrap dress with statement pleats and 3/4 length sleeves. Both patterns come with full instructions and come in a variety of sizes and printable formats. Keep in mind that these patterns are available only until February 16th, 2020. I'll post links for both patterns in the description box of this video. Remember, once you've sewn your own Mary Quant dress, share your photos on social media with the hashtag #WeWantQuant. Please subscribe to Budgetsew to stay connected. Thanks for watching. See you next time.